Okay. Now, can you read after that? What does it say?
And the next 30 kilometer with a uniform speed of 40 km/h.
Okay, so 40 kilometers per hour, and this is the next 30 kilometers. This is numerical number 6, right? Okay, so what we are given is the car is totally traveling 60 kilometers. पहले 30 किलोमीटर में उसकी यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड इज 60 and next 30 kilometers में उसकी यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड इज 40. Okay, now you what is asked?
So total time of the journey and the average speed of the car.
Okay, total time and we have to find what is the average speed. Okay, now first of all, how do we find what is the total time? Now we are going to break this numerical into two parts. Okay, so let's say this is part A yahan tak, and this is part B. In part A, we have to find what is the distance, and then we'll find what is the distance traveled in part B, and dono ko, time, we'll find the time and then we'll add both of them together. So how do we do that? Okay, so now again we know the formula for speed. Okay, speed distance upon time, right? So from here we can say distance equals to speed multiplied by time. Okay, everyone clear with this? तो यहाँ पे speed क्या है? पहले part A में speed is 60, so 60 multiplied by, oh sorry, we have to find time. Sorry, I did it the wrong way. Wait, 1 second. We have to find what is the time over here, right? Okay, I did it the wrong way. Okay, so let's see, from this equation we can say time equals to, ये time ऊपर जाएगा, speed नीचे आ जाएगा, distance upon speed. So now we can find time. Time equals to distance. कितना है? 30 kilometers. And the speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Right? So 0, 0 cancel, 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So we can say this, the time equals to 0.5, yeah, 1 upon 2 hour. Now remember, यहाँ पे units is hour. So ये अपना जो answer आएगा, that will also come into hours. So A से B में जाने के लिए the time taken is half an hour. Now let's find what is the time taken from B to C. Okay, अभी B to C जाने के लिए we'll use the same formula. Time equals to speed, distance upon speed. So now what is the distance? Again 30 kilometers and the speed is 40. So your answer will be 3 upon 4 hour. Okay, this is for time section A and this is the time for section B. Now total time equals to time of section A plus time of section B. Everyone clear with me? Okay, so now let's see, time of A is 1 upon 2 plus this is 3 upon 4. Again our LCM will be 4, so this will become 2 plus 3, which will become 5 upon 4 hours. What is 5 upon 4, Yug? 1.222 होगा ना? What is 5 divided by 4?
1.25.
1.25. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see what is the second question. Second question is you have to find what is the average speed. Now remember, average speed equals to total distance upon total time. Now what is the total distance? Total distance जो हमारे पास है ना 330 kilometers section A में और 30 kilometers section B में. So the total distance traveled is 60 kilometers. And the total time taken is, we just calculated over here 5 upon 4. We'll just use 5 upon 4 because वो cancel होने में ज़्यादा easy रहेगा. Okay. So this will become 5 upon 4. Okay. Now, how do we do this? This will become 60 multiplied by 4 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 12s are. Okay, what is 12 times 4? 40
48.
kilometers per hour. This will be our average speed. Okay, you, what was the doubt? Where were you wrong? क्या गलत किया था?
सर वो टाइम जो है ना वो मिनट्स में जो करना था 75 मिनट्स है वो.
See, यहाँ पे आवर्स में है तो मैंने पूरा सब कुछ आवर्स में ही रहने दिया.
वो समझ आ गया.
हाँ, okay. Anyone who 2-3 people had a doubt, no? कोई और भी बोला था? Who else was that? और किसको डाउट था इसमें? Now nobody will stop. अरे we are solving doubts. इसमें थोड़ी कोई शर्माने वाली बात है अगर बोल नहीं रहे हो अभी. Sachin, I cannot see you. Ayan Khan, I cannot see you. Ved, चालू करो कैमरा. Gauri. Okay, everyone clear with this? This was numerical number 6, what we did right now. Okay, so now let's go to the next one. Anybody has 7, 8, 9, 10?
Sir, on 10.
Sir, 10.
Wait, first of all, 7, 8, 9, किसी को doubt है? Anyone? 7, 8, 9, no, nobody. Okay, so then let's see 10th one, Sita. Okay, 1 second, my computer has become very slow today. Every day there is something wrong. Okay, so let's see the 10th one. A car, this one, right? A car starting from rest acquires a velocity of 180 meters per second in 0.05 hours. Find the acceleration. Okay. So let's see. 1 second. Okay, let's see. A car starts from rest and then it starts moving. When it starts from rest, that means its initial velocity is 0 meters per second. And it acquires a velocity of 180 meters per second. So यहाँ पे उसकी velocity हो जाएगी 180 meters per second. Okay, so this will be our initial velocity and this will be our final velocity. This is number 10. Okay, some number 10. Okay, and the time taken over here, that is the most important thing. Okay, you might have not converted it properly. The time taken is 0.05 hours. Okay, so time taken is time equals to 0.05 hours. Now the most important thing is यहाँ पे ये seconds में है and this is in hours. So we'll have to convert the hours into number of seconds. We all know 1 hour equals to 360 seconds. No, how many seconds? 60 into 60, right?
Sir, 3600.
3600.
600 seconds. Okay. So now 0.05 hours कितना होगा? Cross multiply and straight divide,
180 seconds.
which is equal to 180 seconds. इसको doubt था ये महिमा, you had a doubt, no? You had a doubt?
Yes.
Okay, तो ये इतना part तो clear है first of all.
सर बस इसमें ही डाउट था,
Okay.
आगे वाला तो डिवाइड करना था.
हाँ. Okay, so just do it from the basic. No, 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. So 0.0 hours, how many seconds? You know, ये decimal निकालने के लिए 0 लगाना पड़ेगा and you cancel it out. So this will become 3600 multiplied by 0.05. Okay, so this will become 3600 multiplied by 5 divided by 100.
Okay.
Okay, 0 cancel. 36 into 5, which will be equal to 180 seconds. You want me to continue the next part?
No sir.
Okay, anybody else has any doubts? Number 10. Meg, Aryan, Astha, Nandini, nobody has a doubt. Okay, so now let's see. We'll go to the next one. Anyone has a doubt in number 11, 12, 13?
सर 12.
12. Okay, कौन बोल रहा है?
सर लक्ष्य.
Okay, Lakshya. Number 12. Okay, let me get it. A toy car, यही वाला ना? Lakshya? Lakshya, where are you?
Yes sir.
Okay, ये toy
toy.
car वाला ना?
हाँ.
Okay. Can you read? So I will start drawing on the other side. Okay. Number 12. Okay, so let's say this is number 12. Okay, just read.
A toy car moving with a uniform velocity of 18 kilometers per hour
Okay, so it is moving with 18 kilometers per hour.
comes to stop in 2 seconds.
Okay, comes to rest. Okay, that means 0 kilometers per hour in time. How much?
2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Find the retardation of the car in SI units.
Now we have to find what is the retardation. मतलब acceleration ही होगा ना, खाली negative आएगा. And we have to find it in SI unit. SI unit मतलब meters per second square. So basically what we have to do is we have to convert this into meters per second. ये तो zero ही रहेगा, right? We have to convert 18 kilometers per hour into meters per second. Okay, so now what is 18 kilometers per hour into meters per second?
आवाज आ रही है.
What? सचिन आपका म्यूट करो, बहुत दो तीन जन की आवाज आ रही है. हाँ. Lakshya, clear about this? So how do we convert 18 kilometers per hour? Now we have to convert it into meters per second, right? We have to convert it into meters per second. Now this is basically 1 kilometer and this is 1 hour. Okay, so ये क्या हो जाएगा? Instead of 1 kilometer, I can put 1000 meters. So
Yes.
18 तो ऐसा ही रहेगा, multiplied by 1000 meters, and this is 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Does that make sense?
Yes sir.
Okay, so ये 0 cancel, ये 0 cancel. This will be 2 5s and this will be 18. Okay, and 18 cancel, which will become 5 meters per second. So initial velocity of this toy car was 5 meters per second. ये conversion बराबर है ना? समझ में आ गया लक्ष्य?
Yes sir.
Okay, so now see, basic idea is whenever you have to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second, जो भी है, you multiply by 5 upon 18. इसका मतलब है कि ये 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, तो 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5/80 एंड दैट विल गिव अस आंसर 5 स्ट्रेट अवे। ऐसे करोगे तो भी वही आने वाला है। दिस इज अ शॉर्ट वर्जन। ओके, ये 1000/3600 करोगे आप तो 5/18 ही आएगा। And if you have to convert meters per second into kilometers per hour, then you have to multiply it by 18/5. उल्टा हो जाएगा। Okay? Who's making that sound? Lakshya, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now our distance, our initial velocity हम लोग को मिल गया, which is 5 meters per second. Final velocity is 0 meters per second. Kilometers पर आ रहा है तो meters per second भी 0 ही होगा. It is at rest. When a body is at rest, that means the velocity is equal to 0. तो ये हो गया अपना u और ये हो गया अपना final velocity v, and this is our time. Now the formula for acceleration is acceleration a equals to v minus u upon t. Now what is our final velocity? Final velocity is 0. So 0 minus 5, initial velocity was 5, divided by the time period is 2 seconds. So divided by 2, which is equal to minus 5/2. Okay, minus 5/2, which is equal to minus 2.5 meters per second square. Okay, so we are writing acceleration equals to minus का मतलब है it is retardation. Okay, minus 2.5 meters per second square. Is that correct? Lakshya, is the answer right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, मैं कभी कभी गलती करता हूँ, वो तो अभी आप ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हो, चालू क्लास में तो मैं बहुत सारी करता हूँ, बिकॉज आप लोग सो रहे होते आधे जन. यू विल हैव टू पॉइंट मी, वहां पे कहीं ना कहीं तो गलती कर ही दूंगा मैं जानबूझकर. Okay, anybody else has any doubts in this? This was what, numerical number 12, right? Okay, numerical number 12. Okay, anyone else? 13, 14, 15, 16.
Sir, 16.
Okay, 16, fine. Anything else before that?
14th.
Sir, 15 or 16 दोनों?
Sir, 14.
14 or 16? The 14, 15, 16, all. All of them, sure. Okay, let's start with 14th. Gauri, can you start reading number 14 so I can start drawing over here, okay? Gauri, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so start reading number 14.
A car is moving with a velocity 20 meters per second.
Yeah, keep reading.
The brakes are applied to retard it at a rate of 2 meters per second square. What will be the velocity after 5 seconds of applying the brakes?
Now see, I can draw it in a different way, you will draw it in a different way, but in physics numerical, always try to draw it, okay? It will make you, it will make the numerical very easy. Now what are we saying is, a car है वो चल रही है 20 meters per second, and now you apply brakes. Now when you apply brakes, the velocity of the car will start decreasing. तो यहाँ पे हो गया 1 second, let me just draw it with a different color. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second हो गया. Okay. Now we want to find out कि ब्रेक लगाने के बाद after 5 seconds, what is the velocity over here? Oh, sorry. What is the velocity over here? Okay, this is what we need to find out. पहले समझने की तैयारी ये करो, पहले कोशिश करते हैं. This is our initial velocity, 20 meters per second. You apply the brakes, velocity will start decreasing, and the velocity starts decreasing at the rate of 2 meters per second square. इसलिए मैंने minus लिया हुआ है. Minus means retardation. Okay, and the time period is 5 seconds. तो 5 सेकंड के बाद वो कार की velocity कितनी होगी? Now again, our formula is V equals to U plus AT. This is the same formula as acceleration equals to V minus U upon T. Cross multiply करके किया तो हम लोग को ये formula मिला था, right? Now final velocity we have to find, right? Initial velocity is 20, okay, plus acceleration is 2 meters per second square. Now this is retardation, so we have to put a minus 2 over here, multiplied by time, which is 5 seconds. So what it becomes is 20 minus 10, which is equal to 10 meters per second. So after 5 seconds, the velocity of the car will become 10 meters per second. Gauri, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody has any doubts how I got? किसने किया था ये? हैरी आप कर रहे हो numerical? You got the answer? Yash, did you try it? Chan, किया था ये sum? Did you try this sum? No. Astha?
Sir, 20, 15 नहीं करेला.
Okay. Everyone else, Charu, did you try this? Mahima? Now
Yes,
everything
sir.
clear? Now clear with this, right? Viyanshi, आप कर लो कि नहीं? You got the answer or just because I did it you said yes? See, I cannot check your homework. I'll have to ask your parents to do check all that. Faizan, समझ में आ गया? Faizan, are you there?
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
turn on the camera. ये सम किया था क्या? Okay. So now let's go to the next one. इतना ही था ना इसमें find the नहीं, which one did we do? ये कौन सा किया? 14 किया ना हम लोग ने? हाँ, when the brakes are applied for 5 seconds, right? Everyone clear? Gauri, are you sure with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we'll go to the 15th one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's see number 15 now. Okay, who else had a doubt now? Number 15. Priyanshi, did you do number 15? Unmute, unmute.
15 और 16 नहीं किए थे सर.
Okay, let's see. Anyone who has done 15th and 16th? 15th, पहले खाली 15 को देखते हैं. Vidhi, Sachin, anybody?
I have done.
कौन बोल रहा है? I cannot.
Sir, I have also
Vedant.
done.
Oh, wait, 1 second. No, I cannot see you. So मेरे को ऊपर जाने दो. यहाँ पे I'm moving the camera too much. Vedant, you have done 15?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Then help me do it. Okay, chalo. Start reading number 15.
A bicycle initially moving with a velocity 5 meter per second accelerates for 5 seconds at a rate of 2
1
meter
second,
per
1 second.
second.
Bicycle initially moving with 5 meters per second.
Accelerates
Huh?
for 5 seconds at
Okay.
the rate of 2 meter per second.
Square.
What will be its final velocity?
Okay, ये तो same ही है, right? The
Same
last
formula.
one had retardation. Over here there is acceleration. Okay, now first of all try to understand. Somebody is cycling कर रहा है कोई, and the initial velocity is 2 meters per second. वो 5 meters per second पे चला रहा है. उसने पेडल मारना जोर से चालू किया, so he is going through some acceleration. उसकी velocity बढ़ रही है. Okay. Now we want to find out what will be the velocity after 5 seconds. 5 सेकंड के बाद उसकी velocity कितनी होगी? So we have to find what is the final velocity after 5 seconds. Okay. So now initial velocity है, final velocity ढूंढनी है. We'll use the same formula. V equals to U plus 80. So from here we have to find what is U. तो ये 80 इस side पे जाएगा. So we can say U equals to V minus 80. Everyone clear? Okay. So now make sure the units are same. यहाँ पे meters per second, यहाँ पे meters per second square, and this is given in seconds. So the units are fine. We don't need to convert any units. So now let's substitute the value. Final velocity. Oh, sorry. We have to find what is the final velocity. तो बोल ही नहीं रहा है, मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ. We still have to find what is the final velocity, no? So यही formula लगेगा. We don't need to convert anything. Initial velocity is 5 meters per second plus acceleration. Now acceleration is positive. So यहाँ पे आएगा 2 multiplied by time, which is 5 seconds. So 5 2s are 10. So 5 plus 10, which will be equal to 15 meters per second. So the velocity after 5 seconds will become 15 meters per second. Vedant, is this the way you did it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who else had a doubt in this? Kiska tha doubt? Priyanshi, clear? Okay. Gauri, clear? Nishta, how much have you done? Have you tried this?
Yes, sir.
Did you get the answer or you had a doubt?
Yes, sir. I get the answer.
Okay, very good, very good. Mahima, Nandini, clear with this? Okay, chalo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's go to the 16, the last one. Okay, now let's see who all has a doubt in 16. First of all, just raise your hand so I can see you over here. Okay,
Sir, me.
Ved, Priyanshi, अरे फैजान का डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है बार बार. Okay, so Vidhi has a doubt. Charu हो गया था? Charu, Lakshya doubt. Purvansh, Sachin हो गया ये सम?
Yes, sir.
आंसर आ गया? Very good. Oh my God, everybody. Mehak has done it. Yash. Mehak also has a doubt. Yash also has a doubt. अरे भाई hand raise करवाना भी problem है. Why are you all saving so much energy? Okay, so let's try 8th one. Mostly all of you have a doubt. So can somebody read? Wait, what is this number? 16, right? Okay, so let's start with 16. मेरे को लग रहा है बहुत confusing होगा. Nishta, can you read 16? Because everybody has a doubt here.
Yes, sir. A car is moving in a straight line with speed 18 km per hour. It is stopped in 5 seconds by applying the brakes.
Okay, 1 second. A car is moving with a velocity of 18 kilometers per hour and it is stopped. Okay, stopped matlab velocity will become 0 kilometers per hour. Okay, when you apply brakes, the velocity will start decreasing. It has stopped. That means it comes to rest. When it comes to rest, final velocity will be equal to 0. और क्या दिया हुआ था? Read again, please.
It is stopped in 5 seconds by applying the brakes.
Okay, 5 seconds. तो 5
Find
सेकंड
the-
लगा गाड़ी को बंद होने में, स्टॉप होने में. Okay.
Find the speed of a car in meter per second, the retardation, and the speed of car after 2 seconds of applying the brakes.
Okay, first thing first, we have to find the speed of the car in meters per second. Okay, now remember what I told you earlier is kilometers per hour है, उसको meters per second करना है, तो you have to multiply by 5 upon 18, right? So this will become 18 multiplied by 5 upon 18. So the answer will be equal to 5 meters per second. Anybody has a doubt in this? I think ये तो बहुत clear है, right? We are just changing the units over here. second part, Nisha, what was the second part?
To find the retardation.
Okay, we have to find what is our retardation. Now retardation का symbol तो A ही आएगा, but retardation है तो we'll probably get it as a negative number. Okay, again our formula is still same. A acceleration equals to V minus U upon T. I think मुझे पता चल गया है, most of you people were confused over here. You could not figure out what is the final velocity. Is that the problem? Gauri, Yug, is that the problem? What I'm saying? किसी को फाइनल वेलोसिटी पता नहीं चला होगा ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को. कल आर्यन यही प्रॉब्लम था क्या? See, when a body comes to stop, when a body comes to rest, okay, that means velocity will become 0 meters per second हो या kilometers per hour. Okay, so now let's continue with this. Acceleration equals to V minus U upon T, which is equal to final velocity is 0, right? It is coming to rest, minus initial velocity, which is 18 kilometers per hour. उसको हम लोग ने convert किया. Now we have to find the answer in meters per second, so we'll use meters per second. Minus 5 divided by the time. Time is in 5 seconds, so we don't need to convert any units, which will become now 0 minus 5 means minus 5 divided by 5, which is equal to minus 1 meter per second square. So this is our retardation. Anyone has any doubts how I got the retardation? Lakshya clear? Okay. Charu, Vidhi. Okay. Priyanshi, Asta. Purvansh, किया था आज ये? Try किया था ये numerical? Okay. Okay, now let's see, Nisha, what is the next thing?
Speed of car after 2 seconds of applying the brakes.
Okay, now see, after 2 seconds, time equals to 2 seconds. अभी हम लोग ने क्या बोला कि कार को स्टॉप होने में यहां तक आया तो कार विल स्टॉप आफ्टर 5 seconds. Now what happens over here after 2 seconds? Okay, initial velocity तो ये है, which is 5 meters per second. Time is given 2 seconds. Acceleration हम लोग ने ढूंढ लिया, basically retardation, which is minus 1 meter per second square. So now we have to find what will be the final velocity over here. Now this will become our final velocity. Now remember, यहाँ पे car will not come to rest. उसकी speed कम हो रही है धीरे धीरे. यहाँ पे 5 सेकंड के बाद the car comes to rest. Now we have to find what will be the velocity after 2 seconds. So this will become our final velocity. ये final velocity चला गया, which was in the first part. Now in the third part, we have to find what is the final velocity. Again, formula is still same. V equals to U plus AT. Initial velocity हम लोग ने ढूंढा था 5 meters per second. 5 plus acceleration is minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by time is now 2 seconds. Remember, पहले time 5 seconds था. Now it has become 2 seconds. So multiplied by 2. So this will become 5 minus 2, which will become 3 meters per second. That will be the final velocity after 2 seconds. Okay, now let's see if anybody has any doubts.
So,
Yes.
तो थर्ड वाला समझ में नहीं आया.
Okay, I was going to explain it anyways again one more time. Anyone else? और किसी को confusion है? समझ में आ गया ना? गौरी, clear? वेदांत, ये solve हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था?
सर ट्राई नहीं किया था.
अच्छा, try नहीं किया था. Okay, then who else? आर्यन, ये किया था कि try नहीं किया? नहीं किया. Very good. कल्प,
સર ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ જ કરેલો.
Okay, converting 5 meters per second. Okay, so now let's try to understand this problem again. Okay, जैसे बुक में दिया है, we'll just try to draw it in a different form. तो हम लोग को पता चलेगा कि ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं ये लोग. Okay, see what is the initial velocity. A car is traveling with 18 दिया है ना. We'll put 5 meters per second. ये तो हम लोग को पता चल गया ना. We are converting the units. Now the car is going 5 meters per second. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने ब्रेक लगाया. So this is our starting point. ब्रेक लगाया और 5 सेकेंड के बाद the car came to rest. The car stopped. A car stopped मतलब उसकी velocity हो गई 0 meters per second. It will come to rest. अभी ये हो गया starting point और ये हो गया ending point. यहाँ पे starting point पे जो velocity होगी that will become our initial velocity. Ending point पे जो velocity होगी that will become our final velocity. Okay, and we were supposed to find what is the acceleration or retardation, जो भी है. Anybody has any doubt over here? ये कैसे हो रहा है? We are doing the second part. Sorry, first part में तो खाली ये 5 unit convert करना था. Okay. So now from this we can say acceleration equals to v minus u upon t. Okay. Again, final velocity क्या है? 0. So 0 minus initial velocity क्या है? 5 divided by the time taken is 5 seconds, which will be equal to minus 1 meters per second square. यहाँ तक तो हो गया. Now let's divide this time into 5 seconds. Okay, let's just divide it into 5 seconds. ये 0 second था, ये 1 second, ये 2 second, ये 3 second, ये 4 second and ये 5 second. Okay. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने में the body comes to rest, the car comes to rest, उसकी velocity हो जाएगी 0. Now comes the last part कि 2 second के बाद मतलब यहाँ पे what will be the velocity of the car at this point? तो हम लोग को क्या करना है? We will forget all this. Now we are going to the third part. Okay. तो third part में this will become our final velocity. Now see acceleration जो हमने ढूंढा है वो तो 0 सेकेंड से लेके 5 सेकेंड तक सेम ही रहेगा, -1. तो यहाँ पे भी -1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे भी -1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे भी -1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. तो एक्सेलरेशन तो पूरे मूवमेंट में सेम ही है. तो वी कैन यूज दिस एक्सेलरेशन ओवर हियर आल्सो. So now we use our formula v equals to u plus at. हम लोग को फाइनल वेलोसिटी फाइंड करनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एनीबडी हु स्टिल नॉट श्योर, ये पहले वाला सब चला गया अभी, फॉरगेट अबाउट ऑल दिस फाइनल वेलोसिटी. ओके, इसमें से हमको खाली एक चीज काम आने वाली है which is the acceleration, because वो पूरे मोशन में acceleration will always remain same. So now we use our formula v equals to u plus at, which is equal to initial velocity is 5 plus acceleration is -1, जो हम लोग ने पहले ढूंढा था, -1 multiplied by the time. Now the time, या पहले 5 सेकंड लिया था, अभी तो टाइम हो गया only 2 seconds, no? 1 second and 2 second. So time will become 2 second. So 5 minus 2, which will be equal to 3 meters per second. That is the velocity at this point, 3 meters per second. Mahima, does that clear your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please try to understand. अगर problem है, I will explain it one more time. We have 10 minutes, not a problem. ये last numerical था. Priyanshi clear? Harry, Sachin, Vidhi, फैजान तो पता नहीं कहाँ पे है. फैजान, are you there? उसका इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा है.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ पे हो आप? हाँ, ओके, ये पता चल गया ना अभी. फैजान, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Ayan Khan, चारू, I cannot see you. Anyone? किसी को समझ में नहीं आया हो? I will explain it again. Okay, I don't mind doing it. See, always try to draw it like this. So आपको पता चलेगा क्या हो रहा है. If you try to mug up all these answers and questions and you know how to do it and all, it will never work. All you need to remember is this formula over here, v equals to u plus at. और कुछ किया ही नहीं हम लोग ने, खाली यही formula याद रखना है बस. Anyone has any doubts? Because we are almost done with the numerical. Almost done. ये last ही था actually. And I can guarantee you a lot of people have not done it. Okay, so now let's see. ये part तो हो गया. Okay, I'll just explain you in brief. Okay, over here. Okay, next part में हम लोग को graph use करना है. We all know how to draw a graph, hopefully. Okay, so I'm just going to explain you how to draw a graph. Okay, so कल जब हम लोग ये part चालू करेंगे, it will be much easier for us to continue. Okay, so let's start with that. How to draw a graph. Now, हमारा numeric, basic idea तो same ही है, यही रहने वाला है. Okay, let's say a body starts from home. Okay, and it goes to school. समझ लो आप घर से निकल के स्कूल जा रहे हैं. Okay, this the distance between your school and your home is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 kilometers. Okay, try to understand. Okay, I'm telling you basic how to draw a graph. So the distance between your home and your school is 5 kilometers. Now what we are saying is after after 5 kilometers it will be a problem. Actually, let's say the distance is 500 meters करते हैं. Okay, units का problem होगा इसमें. Okay, let's say the distance is 500 meters. बहुत पास में है. आप चल के जा रहे हैं. Okay, so after 1 second you reach over here. After 2 seconds you are here. After 3 seconds you are here. After 4 seconds you are here. And after 5 seconds you reach school. Walking distance. Okay. So now if you have to draw a graph for this, let's say I want to draw a graph. Remember, this will be my x-axis. This will be my y-axis. Always take the time on x-axis. Okay. So this will be 1 second, this will be 2 seconds, this will be 3 seconds, this will be 4 seconds, and this will be 5 seconds. Okay. Now we want to measure. Okay. Now graph draw कर रहे हैं हम लोग distance का और displacement जो भी है. Okay, we'll just put displacement here. Everything will be same because everything is moving in a straight line. So after 1 second, say you completed 100 meters. After 2 seconds, you completed 200 meters. After 3 seconds, 300 meters. After 4 seconds, 400 meters. After 5 seconds, 500 meters. Okay. So if you have to draw a displacement time graph, this is called a displacement time graph. Y-axis पे displacement है और x-axis पे time है. Okay. So if you have to draw a graph after time 1 second, so we can draw a vertical line 1 second. Let's say यहाँ पे हम लोग distance डालेंगे, displacement डालेंगे 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters. Okay, this will now become 400 meters, and let's say this is 500 meters. Okay, so after 1 second you are at the mark 100 meters. So this is our first point. ये हो गया ना? After 1 second you have traveled 100 meters. Starting point से 100 meters आगे आए. After 2 seconds, the distance will become 200 meters. So at 2 seconds, we can draw a vertical line over here, and from 200 meters, we draw a line. So ये हो गया second point. Same way, we'll get a third point. Then we'll get a fourth point. And then we'll get a fifth point, which is this over here. And if you join all these points, you get a straight line, which is known as our displacement time graph. ये तो एकदम basic है हम लोग कैसे graph बनाते हैं. Now let's say after 5 seconds you start walking back home. Same speed, same time, same सब कुछ हो रहा है. Okay. So Priyanshi, where will the person be after 6 seconds? Priyanshi, can you tell me where will the person be after 6 seconds?
At school, sir, at 4 meters.
4 meters. Okay, fine. Okay, so now let's see. We are going back. अभी तक यहाँ पे तो ये तो स्कूल आ गया अपना 5 meters पे अपना स्कूल आ गया. Okay, so now what happens when the person starts going back? हम लोग को वो ढूंढना है. Okay, so let's see. This is time. अभी time तो वही चल रहा है ना. 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, and 10 seconds. Again वो जो वापस जा रहा है तो आफ्टर 1 सेकेंड मतलब 5 + 1 6 सेकेंड यहाँ पे आएगा. आफ्टर 1 सेकेंड 7 सेकेंड्स यहाँ पे आएगा. आफ्टर 8 सेकेंड्स यहाँ पे आएगा. एंड आफ्टर 9 seconds and 10 seconds he will again be home. Everyone clear? So 5 सेकेंड उसको जाने में लगे और 5 सेकेंड वापस आने में लगे. So now after time 6 seconds पे वो कहाँ है? वो बंदा यहाँ पे है 400 meters पे है. हम लोग तो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से डिस्टेंस गिन रहे हैं. हाउ फार इज ही फ्रॉम द हाउस? 400 meters. तो ये हो जाएगा अपना 6 seconds. एंड लेट्स से दिस इज अ 400 meter मार्क. तो ये पॉइंट मिलेगा. हैरी, व्हाट विल हैपन एट 7 seconds?
So it will be at 300 meters.
Okay, the distance will become 300 meters. वापस जा रहा है ना हम लोग. So 300 meters हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. Then at 8 seconds it will become 200 meters, then 100 meters, and after 10 seconds वो फिर से घर पहुंच जाएगा. See, after 10 seconds the distance is 0, displacement 0 हो गया ना. Yeah, remember this is our 0 initial point. So we can draw this graph over here like this. Everyone, does that make sense? So what are we saying is that if you have a graph like this, okay, the body or the person is moving away from the starting point. Starting point से आगे जा रहा है, दूर जा रहा है. If you have a graph like this, oh sorry, ये तो same ही हो गया. What did I do? 1 second, let me erase this. Okay, if ये उल्टा हो जाएगा. Now if you have a graph like this, जो ये वाला है, that means the object is moving closer. वापस जा रहा है starting point के ऊपर. Does that make sense? So if you divide this graph into 2 parts, यहाँ पे बीच में से up to 5 seconds ये जो बंदा है वो स्कूल की तरफ जा रहा है. And after 5 seconds ये जो आदमी बंदा है वो वापस घर जा रहा है. So the slope of the line will become opposite. यहाँ पे ये ग्राफ ऐसे दिख रहा है और ये ग्राफ उल्टा हो गया. Everyone, does that make sense? So basically what are we saying is if अगर ये portion आप देखोगे, displacement is positive, you are going away from the starting point. अगर आप ये portion को देखोगे, the displacement will become negative. Remember, you are going in the opposite direction. And total displacement तो फिर से 0 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे आके. Okay, we'll study about that later on. But we all understand the graph over here, right? So just imagine if I give you a graph like this. Okay, इसका मतलब है कि ये जो point है, let's say this is A and this is B. Okay, A से लेके B तक that person is moving away from the starting point. फिर B से लेके C तक the body or that person is moving closer to the starting point. Slope उल्टा हो गया. Again from C he is starting to move away from the starting point. Okay, now let's try to draw this. A से लेके B तक ये हो गया starting point. तो A से लेके B तक ही इज गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, ऐसे जा रहा है। फिर B से लेके C तक वो फिर से वापस जा रहा है, तो यहां से वो यहां तक आ गया, समझ लो ये हो गया अपना C पॉइंट। ओके, फिर C से वो वापस आगे आया, दूर जा रहा है, तो C से वो फिर से यहाँ पे आ गया एंड दिस विल बिकम अवर D पॉइंट। तो ये D भी यहाँ पे हो गया, और D से उसने चालू किया वापस जाना, तो सीधा घर तक वापस पहुंच गया। सो D से लेकर सीधा यहां तक आया एंड दिस विल बिकम अवर पॉइंट E। If you can understand this graph, I'm telling you, it will be very easy to solve the numericals. Okay. Anyways, time is over. We will stop over here, and you all start preparing for your. कल क्या करना है? What are we doing tomorrow? Same thing. Okay, so we'll just continue with this, and you all make sure you do the numericals properly and finish all of them. Okay, जो भी doubt था, I think I have solved everything. So एक fair book जैसा बना दो, पूरा एक line में पूरे numericals, and I will ask your parents to check it tomorrow morning. Okay. So make sure you have all the 16 numericals, है ना शायद, all the 16 numericals. Okay. And I will ask your parents to check it. I will message it in the group. Okay. So Aryan, just message, finish the physics numericals as homework, and tomorrow we'll continue with the same thing. Okay, same chapter, and we'll study this graphs and all that. Okay, everybody, stay home, don't go out, and stay safe. Okay, and I will see you all tomorrow. Sure. Bye.